Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're dedicating the entire countdown to a brand that has spent over 4 decades redefining what a watch can be, Casio. This is not a list of beginner Casio recommendations or entry-level G-Shocks, though those are extraordinary in their own right. Today we're exploring the upper tier of Casio's catalog, the watches that combine the brand's unmatched electronic engineering expertise with premium materials, sophisticated design, and the kind of technical ambition that commands genuine respect from serious watch enthusiasts worldwide. From rugged military-grade field instruments and precision aviation companions to the most refined solar-powered dress watches Japan has ever produced, these 10 picks represent Casio at the very height of its powers. Let's get started. Number 10. Casio G-Shock Mudmaster GWG $1,000. The Casio G-Shock Mudmaster GWG 1000 is the watch that answers the question of what happens when G-Shock's legendary toughness is taken to its most extreme and uncompromising expression. And the answer arrives in a case that communicates its purpose before you've read a single specification. The GWG 1000 was built specifically to operate in environments where mud, dust, vibration, and impact would destroy conventional watches without hesitation. The triple-layer case construction, resin, carbon fiber insert, and stainless steel delivers mud resistance that goes beyond simple sealing to actively prevent ingress from dense, viscous material that water resistance ratings alone do not address. Tough solar charging keeps the watch powered from any available light source, while multiband 6 atomic timekeeping synchronizes with radio time signals in 6 regions worldwide for accuracy that field conditions cannot compromise. The altimeter, barometer, compass, and thermometer functions give the GWG 1000 as a complete environmental awareness suite that makes it a genuine instrument for outdoor professionals rather than merely a rugged-looking fashion statement. The bold, layered case design and earth tone colorways communicate this watch's identity without ambiguity. This is a tool built for people who need tools that genuinely work. The Casio G-Shock Mudmaster GWG 1000 retails for approximately $400–500 USD. Number 9. Casio G-Shock Rangeman GW 9400. The Casio G-Shock Rangeman GW 9400 is the G-Shock that earned its reputation where it matters most, in the hands of military personnel, search and rescue professionals, and serious outdoor operators who needed a watch capable of surviving and functioning in conditions that would end the operational life of virtually anything else on the market. The Rangeman's triple sensor suite, altimeter, barometer, compass, and thermometer, is integrated into a case structure that meets the United States military standard MIL STD 810 for resistance to shock, vibration, low pressure, solar radiation, rain, humidity, salt fog, temperature extremes, and electromagnetic interference. Tough solar charging and multiband 6 atomic timekeeping complete a specification that makes the GW 9400 not just tough but reliably accurate in the environments where accuracy matters most. The analog digital display provides critical information at a glance without requiring menu navigation, and the negative display option enhances readability in direct sunlight. The Rangeman occupies a specific and important position in the G-Shock family. It is not the most sophisticated watch on today's list, but it may be the most genuinely mission-critical, and the communities who depend on it in the field know this with absolute certainty. The Casio G-Shock Rangeman GW 9400 retails for approximately $200–250 USD. Number 8. Casio Pro Trek PRW 3500 Solar Watch. The Casio Pro Trek PRW 3500 is the watch that demonstrates Casio's ability to deliver serious outdoor instrument functionality in a package refined enough to wear beyond the trail without apology. Where the G-Shock Mudmaster and Rangeman embrace their rugged identities fully and visually, the PRW 3500 achieves a design maturity that makes it equally at home in a business-casual environment as it is on a mountain ridge. And that versatility is no small engineering and design achievement. The triple sensor suite delivers altimeter, barometer, compass, and thermometer readings with the precision that Pro Trek's outdoor instrument positioning demands, while tough solar charging and multiband 6 atomic timekeeping ensure continuous, accurate operation regardless of where the wearer happens to be. The titanium case and resin strap combination keeps the PRW 3500 lightweight and comfortable over extended wear, a consideration that multi-day outdoor pursuits make genuinely important. The analog digital display strikes a balance between information density and visual accessibility, and the overall color palette and finishing quality give the Pro Trek a polish that sits meaningfully above the standard outdoor watch category. For the buyer who spends serious time outdoors but refuses to wear an instrument watch that looks only like an instrument, the PRW 3500 makes a compelling and underappreciated case. The Casio Pro Trek PRW 3500 retails for approximately $380 USD. Number 7. Casio G-Shock Mudmaster GG B100. The Casio G-Shock Mudmaster GG B100 is the evolution of the Mudmaster formula into the connected age. A watch that brings the construction toughness and environmental resilience the Mudmaster name guarantees into dialogue with Bluetooth smartphone connectivity and the practical advantages that digital integration makes possible. The GG B100's Bluetooth connection to the Casio G-Shock application enables automatic time synchronization anywhere in the world without dependence on regional radio signals, solving the multi-band 6 coverage limitation for wearers who operate in parts of the globe not served by atomic time radio transmitters. The step tracking function adds a layer of everyday utility that the original Mudmaster's purely instrument-focused specification never addressed, while the carbon fiber insert in the triple-layer case maintains the structural integrity that mud and impact resistance demand. Solar charging keeps the watch powered without battery intervention. The GG B100 is the Mudmaster for the generation of outdoor professionals who expect their equipment to integrate with their broader digital ecosystem, and Casio has delivered that integration without compromising the physical toughness that made the Mudmaster name worth carrying in the first place. The Casio G-Shock Mudmaster GG B100 retails for approximately $230–290 USD. Number 6. Casio Edifice EQB 1000. The Casio Edifice EQB 1000 is the watch that reveals a side of Casio's engineering capability that the G-Shock-focused conversation about the brand consistently underrepresents: the ability to build a chronograph of genuine sophistication, precision, and visual refinement at a price that Swiss equivalents cannot approach. The EQB 1000 is built around Casio's own high-speed, tough-movement chronograph caliber, achieving a 1/100th of a second measurement resolution that mechanical chronographs at any price cannot match. Housed in a case whose multi-layered dial construction and alternating brushed and polished surfaces reflect a finishing quality usually associated with considerably more expensive Swiss sport chronographs. Bluetooth connectivity enables automatic time correction via smartphone connection, while tough solar charging eliminates battery dependency entirely. The sapphire crystal and stainless steel construction give the EQB 1000 a premium hand feel that backs up its visual ambitions, and the overall design, assertive without being aggressive, technical without being cluttered, reflects years of refinement in the Edifice design language. The EQB 1000 is the Casio for the buyer who appreciates the brand's engineering mastery, but wants it expressed through the lens of sport chronograph sophistication, rather than field instrument ruggedness. The Casio Edifice EQB 1000 retails for approximately $350–450 USD. Number 5. Casio G-Shock Gravitymaster GR B200. The Casio G-Shock Gravitymaster GR B200 is the aviation specialist G-Shock, a watch whose entire specification has been assembled with the professional pilot's requirements as the organizing principle, and whose feature set reflects the specific and demanding context of cockpit use. The GR B200's most important aviation credential is its Bluetooth-powered world time function, which provides accurate local time anywhere on Earth via smartphone synchronization at the speed that cockpit transitions between time zones demand. The carbon monocase construction delivers G-Shock's full shock resistance standard at a significantly reduced weight, a consideration that matters during long-haul operations where wrist fatigue from heavy equipment accumulates over hours. The solar charging system ensures the watch is always powered regardless of how full the pre-flight schedule runs. The bold, clear dial design prioritizes legibility in the high-vibration, variable lighting environment of a cockpit, and the overall case design strikes a visual character that is both unmistakably G-Shock and specifically intentionally aeronautical. The Gravitymaster GR B200 is the pilot's G-Shock for those who want the full G-Shock toughness guarantee with an identity and feature set shaped by the requirements of aviation rather than ground operations. The Casio G-Shock Gravitymaster GR B200 retails for approximately $300–380 USD. Number 4. Casio Pro Trek WSD F30 Smart Outdoor. Watch the Casio Pro Trek WSD F30 Smart Outdoor Watch occupies a genuinely unique position in Casio's catalog and in the broader watch market. A device that takes the Pro Trek's outdoor instrument credentials and combines them with the full capability of the Wear OS by Google platform, creating a smart outdoor watch whose mapping, navigation, and application ecosystem go well beyond what any conventional analog digital watch can offer. The WSD F30's dual-layer display, combining a full-color LCD for full smart functionality with a low-power monochrome display for essential data in extended battery mode, directly addresses the battery life challenge that has limited other outdoor smartwatches, extending operational time in the field beyond what pure smartwatch alternatives allow. The MIL STD 810G certification ensures the WSD F30 survives the physical demands of genuine outdoor use, while water resistance to 50 meters adds aquatic capability beyond what most smartwatches offer. GPS, compass, altimeter, barometer, and thermometer are all present, and the Wear OS platform provides access to mapping applications specifically designed for wilderness navigation. The WSD F30 is the choice for the outdoor adventurer who has decided that full smart capability and traditional outdoor instrument functionality are not mutually exclusive requirements. The Casio Pro Trek WSD F30 retails for approximately $450–550 USD. Number 3. Casio G-Shock GSTB400 G Steel. The Casio G-Shock GSTB400 G Steel is the watch that makes the most convincing argument for what G-Shock becomes when its engineering philosophy is applied to premium materials, and a design brief that prioritizes sophistication alongside toughness. A watch that can travel from an outdoor adventure to a business meeting to a formal dinner without losing credibility in any of those contexts. The GSTB400's combination of stainless steel and resin case construction delivers G-Shock's full impact and water resistance standards in a package whose visual weight and refinement occupies territory that standard G-Shock designs rarely enter. The carbon core guard case structure provides the structural backbone, while the stainless steel band sections and detailed finishing work give the exterior a quality presence that justifies wearing this watch in settings where a standard G-Shock would feel conspicuously out of place. Bluetooth connectivity enables world time synchronization via smartphone, while tough solar charging keeps the watch perpetually powered. The slim profile relative to other G Steel variants makes the GSTB400 one of the most wearable G-Shocks produced, slipping under a cuff with an ease that larger G-Shock cases categorically cannot manage. This is the G-Shock for the professional who refuses to give up the brand's reliability guarantee when the working week demands something more polished. The Casio G-Shock GSTB400 G Steel retails for approximately $350–450 USD. Number 2. Casio Oceanus OCW S5000. The Casio Oceanus OCW S5000 is the watch that the watch community consistently underestimates, and the underestimation is consistently corrected the moment someone handles one in person. Because the OCW S5000 is one of the finest solar-powered dress watches produced anywhere in the world, at any price, full stop. The Oceanus is Casio's most premium series, reserved for the brand's most refined design language and its most advanced solar radio technology, and the OCW S5000 sits at the apex of that lineup. The titanium case and bracelet, finished with Casio's own Duro-coated surface treatment for scratch resistance, is assembled to a standard that genuinely impresses when examined closely, with the alternating brushed and mirror-polished surfaces achieving a quality of finishing that Swiss manufacturers charge significantly more to match. Multiband 6 atomic timekeeping provides accuracy to within 1 second per day under normal receiving conditions, while tough solar charging ensures perpetual operation from any available light. The slim profile and clean, architecturally refined dial design allow the OCW S5000 to wear as a genuinely credible dress watch. Quietly sophisticated, technically extraordinary, and almost entirely unrecognized by the Swiss-focused majority of the watch world. For the buyer who values engineering achievement and finishing quality above brand prestige, the Oceanus OCW S5000 is one of watchmaking's finest underappreciated achievements. The Casio Oceanus OCW S5000 retails for approximately $800–1,000 USD fee. Number 1. Casio G-Shock MT G B3000 MT G. The Casio G-Shock MT G B3000 MT G takes the top position on today's list as the most complete expression of what Casio's engineering philosophy achieves when it is given the materials, the manufacturing resources, and the design ambition to produce something without meaningful compromise. The MTG designation within G-Shock signifies the highest tier of the family, metal-twisted G-Shock, and the B3000 is the most advanced and refined MTG ever produced. The Triple G resist construction, protecting against shock, centrifugal gravity, and vibration simultaneously, is housed in a case that combines a fine resin interior with exterior stainless steel components finished to a standard that reframes what a G-Shock can look like. The dual-core guard structure absorbs impact energy, while maintaining the slim profile that makes the MTG B3000 the most wearable MTG in the series history. A watch that wears with far greater elegance than its technical specification suggests should be possible. Bluetooth connectivity with full-world time synchronization, tough solar charging from natural or artificial light, multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping in supported regions, and sapphire crystal combine into a specification that leaves essentially no practical want unaddressed. The dial finishing, with its detailed layering metallic accents and depth of construction, is extraordinary for a watch at this price tier, reflecting the premium positioning and premium manufacturing investment that the MTG designation demands. The MTG B3000 is not merely the best G-Shock ever made. It is one of the finest sport watches produced by any manufacturer anywhere in the world, and at its price it represents a value proposition that the Swiss sport watch market has no equivalent answer to. The Casio G-Shock MTG B3000 MT G retails for approximately $850 US duty.